Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make some delicious pasta salad. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. So here I have my boiling water. I'm going to add my pasta and all the measurements are in the description box below, so please check it out. And I'm going to add some oil so that my pasta do not stick to the pot. And I'm going to add some salt. So I will leave my pot open to avoid the water from overflowing on the stove, and I will allow my pasta to boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then I will remove it and immerse it in some cold water, and then I will place it in a bowl. So in the meantime, I am going to blanch my mixed vegetables. They were in the freezer, and I'm going to just run some cold water over them afterwards. So guys, here I have all my pasta in my bowl. I'm just going to go ahead and add my mixed vegetables, and I'm just gonna incorporate everything. So guys, I'm just going to go ahead and add some carrots. This is totally optional, you do not have to use it. So guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and add my onion to my pasta, and I'm just gonna mix everything together. So now guys, I am going to add my mayonnaise, and I'm just going to mix everything together. Now I'm just going to add some salt and black pepper to taste and just mix everything together. And I'm going to add some plastic wrap around it and place it in the refrigerator to chill. So yes guys, this is how I made my pasta salad. It is very easy to make. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you do, just leave a comment down below and let me know. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay safe.